boys and girls. Today we're going to continue to use Hairy Math to add coins to find out the total coin value of a group of coins. So let's review what Hairy Math looks like. So we're going to be working with quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. Remember, a quarter is this coin right here. It is worth 25 cents. And when we're using Hairy Math, remember that each piece of hair equals 5. So each piece of hair is 5 cents. So we know a quarter is 25, so we have to give enough pieces of hair to get to 25. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I stop at 25 because my quarter is 25 cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now we go to the dime. I know a dime is worth 10 cents, so I'm going to count by fives until I get to 10. 5, 10. The dime only gets 2 pieces of hair because 5 plus 5 is 10. Then we have the nickel. And remember, a piece of hair is worth 5, and nickel is 5 cents, so the nickel gets 1 piece of hair. And then the penny is 1 cent. And the penny has to stay bald because remember, a piece of hair is worth 5 cents, but a penny is only 1 cent. So we just give the penny a dot. The penny has to stay bald. It does not get any hair. So this is a review of our Hairy Math. 25 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, and 1 cent. Now we're going to count up some coins, and you're going to see how it's a little bit different than yesterday. Yesterday, the coins went in order starting at 25 cents and then 10 cents, 5 cents, penny. So the pennies were always at the end of your activity yesterday. Today, the pennies won't always be at the end, but I want to show you how we can count that. So let's look at number 1. I see that I have a penny at the beginning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use Hairy Math to get all of my hairs put on my coins before I start counting. So I know a penny is worth 1 cent. And I know that a penny is bald, so it just gets a dot. I know that a dime is worth 10 cents. So 5, 10. 2 pieces of hair. Then I know a nickel is worth 5 cents. 5. So 1 piece of hair. Then I have a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then I have another nickel, which is worth 5 cents. 5. 1 piece of hair. And then I have another quarter, 25 cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now, what I'm ready to do is I'm ready to go back and count. But what I want to do is I want to count all of my coins that have hair first. I'm going to leave the bald coins for the end. So I'm going to count all my coins first. Now, you could choose to start back here and count this way, but I'm just going to start right here and know that I need to add my pennies on the end. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, but then I need to add that 1 penny, 71. So 71 cents. All right, I'm going to skip this one. Let's do 2 more. We'll do this number 3 because there's a penny at the beginning and there's a penny at the end. So remember, according to Hairy Math, we're going to go ahead and label all of ours first. You do not have to write the coin amount inside if you do not want to. I just do it. It'll help you remember what each coin is worth so you know how many hairs you should give that coin. So a penny is 1 cent. And remember, it's bald, so we give it a dot. I have 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents. It's just, that's the back of the nickel, front of the nickel. 25 cents, because that's a quarter, and then 1 cent for a penny. So I've already given that one a dot. 5, 1 piece of hair. 5, 1 piece of hair. 5, 1 piece of hair. Now this one is 25 cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So it got 5 pieces of hair. And then a dot because it has to say bald. So remember, I'm ready to get my total. So I'm going to start with the coins that have hair first. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42. So that right there is 42 cents. Remember, you could also write it like this. All right, and now let's do one more. Let's look at number 5 because number 5 has a penny in the middle of the coins. So remember, I'm going to go through and label first. This is a quarter, so it's 25 cents. Quarter, 25 cents. Penny, 1 cent. And a nickel, 5 cents. Like I said, you do not have to label them in the middle. It's just extra help if you need help remembering how much each coin is worth. So now I'm ready to go back and give my coins hair. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Penny is 1 cent, so remember it's bald. It cannot get a piece of hair because a piece of hair is worth 5 cents. So since a penny is 1 cent, it gets a dot. It's bald. And then 5. Now we're ready to go back and count up all of our coins that have hair. So I see that this is 25 cents, so I don't have to go say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I can just say 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and then plus my 1, 56. So that is 56 cents. Or it can be written as $0, decimal 56. All right, boys and girls, you are going to go off and work on this activity on your own. Good luck and count those coins.